Planning Commission or Niti Ayog. What is the objective? Object అంటే to increase the production, to maximum possible extent, then it will increase national income, per capita income of India. Functions: Planning Commission prepared first 5 years of plan. In this, allocate the funds to different sectors like agriculture and infrastructure and other development sectors. This is a planning commission. First 5 year planning commission year వచ్చేసి 1951 to 56. In this year, based on Harrod-Domar model. This is the very important. First 5 year planning commission model అని ఉంటుంది. Harrod-Domar model. Okay. It is called as target growth rate. Is 2.1% and achieve growth rate is 3.6%. In this plan, main focus on agriculture and irrigation. Okay. This plan is called as most successive plan. This is the most successive plan అంటే ఫస్ట్ 5 year ప్లాన్ కమిషన్ మోస్ట్ సక్సెసివ్ ప్లాన్. Second 5 years of planning commission is years are very important, 1956 to 61. Based on Professor P.C. Mahalanobis model. In this, target growth rate is 4.4%. Then achieve growth rate is 4.2%. In this planning commission, to focus on objectives, industrial development of the country. And second one, transport and communication. This is the first focus on second 5 year planning commission, industrial development of the country, and next one, transport and communication. Bhilai steel plant constructed in Chhattisgarh. Then Neyveli Lignite Corporation is Chennai in Tamil Nadu. third 5 years of planning commission is 1961 to 66. Then based on John Sadi and S. Ashok Chakravarti. Ashok Chakravarti model. Target growth rate is 5.6. Achieve growth rate is 2.8. This plan is most failure plan. Successive plan is first 5 years of planning commission. Most failure planning commission is third 5 years of planning commission. In this plan, focus on agriculture and industrialization. Okay. Next one is 1961 to 66 ఏమో third 5 years of planning commission. Fourth 5 year planning commission ఏమో 69 to 74. అంటే 66 to 1966 to 69 అనేది దిస్ ప్లాన్ ఈజ్ హాలిడే. అంటే ఇన్ దిస్ ఇయర్లో ఇయర్లీ ప్లాన్స్ అనేది ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. హాలిడే ప్లాన్ ఇయర్ అని అడుగుతాడు ఒక్కొక్కసారి. 1966 to 69. ఇన్ దీస్ ఇయర్ ప్లాన్స్లో 1966 to 67 వచ్చేసి గ్రీన్ రివాల్యూషన్ అనేది ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రీన్ రివాల్యూషన్ ఎంఎస్ స్వామినాథన్. దెన్ 1969లో 14 బ్యాంక్స్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. ఏంటి నేషనలైజ్డ్ బ్యాంక్స్ అనేది ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు ఎప్పుడు 1969లో. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ డేట్ ఈస్ 19th July 1969. Fourth 5 years of planning commission is 1969 to 74. Based on Ashok Rudra. And Ellen Mane model. Then target growth rate is 5.6%. Achieve growth rate is 3.3%. Fifth 5 years of planning commission is 1974 to 78. Based on DP Dhar model. Then target growth rate is 4.4%. Then achieve growth rate is 4.8%. In this plan, main focus on agriculture industry and mines. This is the main focus on 55 years of planning commission is agriculture industry and mines. In 1975 ఫస్ట్ ఆర్ఆర్బీస్ అంటే రీజియనల్ రూరల్ బ్యాంక్స్ అనేది ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు, అంటే ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేశారన్నమాట. ఇన్ 1975లో ఇందిరా గాంధీ గవర్నమెంట్ డిక్లేర్డ్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ. సో ప్లాన్ 1 year బిఫోర్ అనేది క్లోజ్ అయింది. అంటే 1974 + 5 ఎంత 1979. సో 1 year అంటే 1 సంవత్సరం ముందే క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకంటే ఇందిరా గాంధీ గవర్నమెంట్ డిక్లేర్డ్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ. సో ప్లాన్ 1 year బిఫోర్ క్లోజ్డ్. 1978. దిస్ ప్లాన్ ఈజ్ 6 to 5 years ఆఫ్ ప్లానింగ్ కమిషన్. 1980 to 85 అంటే 78 to 1978 to 80. This plan is rolling plan. This is a very important rolling plan. ఇయర్ అని అడుగుతాడు. 1978 to 80. హాలిడే ప్లాన్ 1966 to 69. 6 to 5 years of planning commission 1980 to 85. Target growth rate is 5.2. Achieve growth rate is 5.7. Focus on poverty and education. 7 to 5 years of planning commission is 1985 to 90. Target growth rate is 5%. Achieve growth rate is 6%. This plan mainly focused on object to establish the sufficient economy, opportunities for productive employment. Then 1990 to 92. In this year, annual plans introduced. Annual plans introduced in India because of political crisis, balance of payment. 8 to 5 years of planning commission is 1992 to 97. Based on Tabular model. Top priority mainly focus on development of human resources. Human resources and employment, education and public health. Nine to 5 years of planning commission is 97 to 2002. In this planning, target growth rate is 6.5%. Achieve growth rate is 5.4%. 10 to 5 years of planning commission is 2002 to 2007. Target growth rate is 8.1 percentage, then achieve growth rate is 7.7 percentage. Focus on double the per capita income. Focus on double the per capita income of India in next 10 years. 11th 5 years of planning commission is 2007 to 12 based on Rangarajan model. Theme is faster and more inclusive growth. Eleventh 5 years of planning commission is 2007 to 12. Theme is faster and more inclusive growth. Target growth rate is 8.1 percentage. Achieve growth rate is 7.9 percentage. Then 12th 5 years of planning commission is 2012 to 17. Theme faster, more inclusive, and sustainable growth. Then target growth is 8 percentage. Then achieve growth rate is 7.8 percentage. These are the planning commissions. Next one questions. Mahalanobis model has been associated with which 5-year plan? Mahalanobis is second 5 years of plan. Then which plan give emphasis on removal of poverty for the first time? Which one removal of the poverty is the fifth 5 years of planning commission? Next one, which one of the following is not correct? First 5 years of planning commission is 1951 to 56. Second one is 56 to 61, 61 to 66, 66 to 69 is the planning is holiday. So fourth 5 years of planning commission is 1969 to 74, fourth 5 years of planning commission. The period of the 11th 5 years of plan is 11th 5 years of plan is 2007 to 12. Last one is 12th 5 years of planning commission is 2012 to 2017.